Okay, so we're just gonna put it back together, and then we'll troubleshoot electrical probably. We'll probably look at the switch. Problem with that is it's in the column, so I have no idea about that. Anyway, let's put this back together. Okay, now we put all our plastic screws in. And this will be our T30. Okay, wait, buck. Get over here. I hate how they use plastic screws on anything, because I mean it just doesn't go down very good. Okay, let's put our trim back on. Cover goes down to hide all this wiring, and then you just put this here inside the groove. Okay, so we got that. That's it for that. Wipers. Right now I've got Rain-X on there, so it does a good enough job to beat it up. And then if you're doing, 40 to 45 at least, it'll just roll off. I was able to drive through thunderstorm with it. So that's what I got to do now. Okay, I'm going to put all the tools back up, and I'll see you later for troubleshooting that. Well, I wonder if I should put the arms back. I guess I could put the arms back on too. Let's do that. So on these, what it is you have a tab right there. This little tab right here. It goes in and out. You pull it out when it's like that. See how it's bent up like that? That goes in and out. See? That's a lock and an unlock. So once it's pulled out, you can pull it off. And so we do that. The problem with mine is, for some reason, the hood blocks these from actually doing this. So I can't actually do that. This actually went on the other side, I think. I think was actually put on wrong. I don't know how to get it back off now. I don't know. I know that's wrong. Okay. I know it doesn't go like that. So. Well, since they don't work, I think I'm just gonna have to get new ones anyway. I don't know why I can't get that back out. Some kind of lock on it? I don't understand that. There is. There's a freaking tab on it. Anyway, I'm gonna break this, and we'll just put them on later. I can't get this back off. I guess there's a tab in there or something. I don't know. I can't even get it off. That's crazy. Sucker's tough. I know that. I guess that's a tab. Who knows? I never could get it back off. Anyway, so that is definitely. I'm just gonna leave these off. There's no point in putting them back on anyway. Okay. I'll see you in some other video.